What if the moon wasn't just a distant orb, but a colossal titan dominating our sky? What if its gravity was no longer gentle, but a relentless force reshaping our world? What if the moon got a whole lot bigger? As we look up at the moon, most of us see a familiar, comforting sight. A silvery disk in the night sky that has been a part of human life for as long as we've existed. But what if that familiar scene was a lie? What if the moon we know is just an imposter, a small fry compared to the true moon that should be hanging in our skies? And what would happen if this imposter moon was suddenly replaced by the real one? In this episode, we are going to blow your mind with the unbelievable science behind a much larger moon and its astonishing consequences for our world. You won't believe what happens when the moon gets a whole lot bigger, so stay tuned until the end of the video. Picture the year 2045. You're gazing up at the night sky, expecting the usual view of the moon, but you're greeted by a sight that makes your jaw drop. The moon is bigger, much bigger than you've ever seen before. It dominates the skyline, casting an eerie glow over the world below. But this isn't a dream or a figment of your imagination. The moon has indeed grown, and with it, the secrets of the universe have been rewritten. Welcome to our channel. Join us on an extraordinary journey through the cosmos where we explore the boundaries of space and time. From the mysteries of black holes to the wonders of distant galaxies, we delve into the deepest recesses of our universe, uncovering the secrets that lie within. Join us now and let your cosmic adventure begin. But what exactly is the real moon? To understand the implications of a much larger moon, we must first understand what the moon actually is and how it interacts with our planet. The moon, a celestial body that has fascinated humans for millennia, is more than just a beautiful sight in the night sky. It is a key player in the Earth's system, influencing our tides, climate, and even our very existence. So when we talk about the real moon, we are talking about a celestial body of immense power and majesty, a world of mystery and wonder that lies just beyond our reach. Now imagine what would happen if this celestial giant was suddenly thrust closer to our world. The consequences would be nothing short of catastrophic. The Earth's gravity would be drastically altered, causing chaos not only for our planet, but for every living thing on it. The moon would become a force to be reckoned with, its presence felt in every corner of our world. Its gravitational pull would stretch and distort the Earth, creating massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The oceans would surge and retreat, wiping out coastal cities and reshaping the planet's surface forever. In short, the Earth would never be the same again. So what if the moon were much bigger? How would it affect our world? Let's start with the most obvious effect: the tides. The moon's gravitational pull is the main driver of our planet's tides. As the moon rotates around the Earth, its gravity tugs on the oceans, pulling them towards it. This creates a bulge of water on the side of the Earth facing the moon, and another one on the opposite side. As the Earth rotates, these bulges of water move around the planet, causing high tides. Twice a year, when the Earth, the Moon, and the Sun are aligned, we get extra high tides called spring tides. Conversely, when the Sun and the Moon are at right angles to each other in the sky, their gravitational pulls partially cancel each other out, resulting in lower high tides and higher low tides known as neap tides. If the Moon were to get significantly bigger, its gravitational pull on the Earth would increase, leading to significantly higher tides. We might see entire coastlines getting submerged during high tide, making many coastal cities and towns completely or partially underwater. These supertides would have devastating consequences for coastal communities, leading to mass evacuations and reshaping the very geography of our planet. But the effects wouldn't stop there. They'd reach far into the oceans, affecting all marine life. Super tides would churn up the ocean floor, bringing nutrients to the surface that could lead to massive blooms of phytoplankton and other marine life. This could create new habitats and ecosystems or wipe out existing ones. Entire species could go extinct due to the sudden change in their environment, leading to a complete overhaul of the marine food chain. Climate chaos. The moon's gravitational pull is also responsible for slowing down the Earth's rotation very slightly. Every year, the Earth's rotation slows by about 6.1 kilometers per hour due to tidal effects. If the moon were bigger, its gravitational pull would be stronger and it would slow down the Earth's rotation even more. A faster spinning Earth would have shorter days, which would drastically affect the circadian rhythms of all living things. Plants and animals that rely on the 24-hour cycle of day and night could be thrown into disarray, leading to widespread ecological chaos. Furthermore, a larger moon would also have a significant impact on Earth's climate. The moon reflects about 7% of the sunlight that falls on it back into space. This helps regulate Earth's temperature. A bigger moon would reflect more sunlight, potentially leading to a global cooling effect. The additional sunlight reflected away could trigger an ice age or disrupt the delicate balance of our climate system, leading to extreme weather events. Imagine hurricanes that are twice as strong as they are now, storms that devastate coastal regions and unleash unprecedented levels of destruction, floods that overflow riverbanks and inundate entire cities. A larger moon could be the catalyst for such extreme weather events. It could amplify the forces of nature, unleashing chaos upon the world below. The Earth's axis is also affected by the moon's gravity. The moon keeps Earth's axis almost perpendicular to the sun. This is important because it helps maintain a relatively stable climate. If the moon were bigger, its gravitational pull could shift the Earth's axis out of whack. This could lead to extreme climate shifts and seasons that are much colder or much hotter than they are now. Moreover, a larger moon would exert a stronger gravitational pull on the Earth's mantle. This could lead to more frequent and powerful earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Entire fault lines could be triggered, releasing pent-up energy that shakes the planet to its core. Mountain ranges could be toppled and valleys could be filled. The Earth's crust could buckle and fold under the strain, creating entirely new landscapes in a matter of seconds. Life under a giant moon. The changes brought about by a bigger moon wouldn't just affect the physical world, but also life itself. Over billions of years, life on Earth has evolved under the influence of the current moon. If the moon were to change size or orbit, it could throw off the delicate balance of life on Earth. Imagine the impact on animals that rely on the moon's gravitational pull for navigation, such as birds and sea turtles. Or consider the effects on plants that use the moon's light for photosynthesis. Even humans wouldn't be immune to the effects of a changing moon. Our bodies, which have evolved to function under the current lunar cycle, could be thrown into disarray. Our sleep patterns, hormone levels, and even our metabolism could be affected. Under the gaze of this new celestial titan, Earth would be a world forever changed. The moon, once a symbol of constancy and beauty in the night sky, would become a harbinger of chaos and upheaval. Humanity would have to adapt to a new reality, one in which the laws of nature had been rewritten and the very fabric of our world was in constant flux. But would life as we know it survive? Would it thrive? Or would it transform beyond recognition? This is a question that only the future can answer. So, what do you think? How would you survive under the gaze of a colossal moon? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep looking up.